We have been asked to write these numbers in order of size, and we have been asked to start with the smallest number for 2 marks. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to convert all of these numbers so they are in the same form. Okay, and that form will be standard form. Okay, so standard form, and our standard form, where a is between 1 and 10. Notice a strict inequality because it includes every number up until but not including 10. Okay, so 6.72 is in this form, so that's all good. So to change 67.2 times 10 to the minus 4 into this form, okay, we are first going to divide this by 10. Okay, so what this means is it will be 6.72 times 10 to form 67.2 again, times 10 to the minus 4, 6.72 times 10 to the minus 3, because 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 672 is going to be 6.72. Now, because we've got 672, it's times 100 times 10 to the 4, and this is going to be 6.72 times, so 100 is 10 squared, which when you do times 10 to the 4, you get to 10 to the 6, like that. And then finally 0.000672, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's going to be 6.72 times 10 to the minus 4. Okay, now all we need to do is we need to compare the exponents. So the smallest one is whichever is the smallest exponent, which is 6.72 times 10 to the minus 4. So this is going to be in position 1. I'm not going to write it in yet because we'll need to convert them back. So we're just going to get a placement for each of them, and then we'll convert them. Then we have minus 3, which is going to be our second position. Then we have times 10 to the 6 times 10 to the 5. Times 10 to the 5 is going to be in position 3, and times 10 to the 6 is going to be in position 4. Okay, now we can write this in our answer space. So the first one is going to be 0.000672. We are then going to have 67.2 times 10 to the minus 4. We will then have 6.72 times 10 to the 5. And finally, we will have 672 times 10 to the power of 4. So this question is worth 2 marks, and you get 2 marks for a fully correct list, as I have done here. You will get 1 mark for 3 numbers in the correct order, and or having 4 numbers but listed in the reverse order. So you have to listen to the question.